Welcome to this cozy 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located here in the heart of New Westminster. You come on through and you have this beautiful, cozy, cute concept. I love the fireplace centerpiece. This is such a beautiful, bright unit. You are north facing, but it's still absolutely bright and spacious in here. This is your kitchen. You've got stainless steel appliances that have just been replaced. As well, imagine cooking here and enjoying your beautiful garden view. You're only a 7-minute drive to New Westminster Quay. As well, you're right by Metrotown, Coquitlam, Richmond, and every city is only a 10-minute drive away. And Royal City Centre is right around the corner. It's only a 6-minute drive away where you have grocery stores like Safeway, restaurants, banks, and more. And here is your beautiful southeast backyard. This lot is almost 7,000 square feet large, 52.8 in width. This home is perfect and ready for any of your design ideas, or if you're thinking about building a home, this is it. Don't look any further. You're in the heart of Queen's Park, located conveniently around everything. And here is your beautiful patio overlooking your backyard. You've got fig trees, you've got tons of your own garden. So if you have a green thumb, this is the perfect place for you. This home is welcoming all your design ideas. And this is right by Queen's Park. You're only about 7 minutes away from Metrotown as well as SkyTrain. It's super convenient. If you'd like to take a look at this property, my name is Denise Mai. Feel free to contact me. I'm more than happy to set up a viewing with you.